So today I am going to tell you in this video how to log in and sign up for Pokemon Go app, because you are not getting the option of Google and Facebook while login or sign up the Pokemon Go app. That's why today's video will be very helpful for you. So watch the whole video till the end and watch without speaking so that you can understand each and every part. Just want to tell you that if you log in the Pokemon Go app, then after coming back the video, like and subscribe to make a lovely comment. So here you can see I have my Pokemon Go app and I am putting my date of birth here, and then let's see if I have the option of Google and Facebook or not. So here you can see that I did not have the login option of Google and Facebook. You do not want to skip the video, subscribe and click on all on the bell notification. Now you follow what I say. Now you have to close the Pokemon Go app and then you have to keep clicking on the Pokemon Go app. Then you will see the option of info. Then you have to click on this option. Now after this you have to click on the option of storage, and then you have to clear the cache of this game, and then you have to clear its data. So you have to open your Pokemon Go app again as long as it is opening. If you don't like the video, then like, subscribe, share the video. So after this, here you have to put your date of birth, and here you have to put your date of birth above 18 years. If you are not 18 years, then you have to do the same as I am doing. So now I have put my date of birth here, and finally you guys can see I have the option of Google and Facebook, so I am logging to it. So in today's video we saw how to can log in the Pokemon Go app in very easy way. If you like the video, subscribe and share it with all your friends.